Hi everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial series. In my last video, I completed the discussion on reading a character from the input device or from a keyboard. If you guys have not seen that video, I just recommend you guys to watch that video as well. And you can find that video in the same playlist. And in today's video, I am going to discuss about writing a character on the output screen. Okay, so before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion on writing a character. Okay, so in this video we will going to see how we can write a character on the screen using C programming language. Okay, so in our last video we have already seen how to accept a letter or a character from the keyboard using a getChar function, and what else we can do with that received value. Okay, with the help of an example we have seen in that previous video, and here we will see how to write that accepted value on the screen. Okay, like getChar, there is another function called putchar for writing character on the output screen. Okay, so similar to getChar, which is required to read the character or a letter from the keyboard, we have a putchar function which will help us to write a letter on the screen. And here I have written down the syntax of putchar. Okay, so putchar with an open and close round brackets, and there is a variable name. Okay, so now this variable name hold the letter or a character. Okay, so here variable name is a type char variable containing a character, as I have said. Okay, so this variable name must be of type char. This statement displays the character contained in the variable name at the terminal. Okay, so this entire statement will print the letter on the screen which is stored inside this variable name. Example, answer equals to y. Okay, suppose I have created a variable with the name answer, and this variable is of type char, and I have stored a capital letter Y inside this answer. Now if I want to print that on the screen, then I need to pass that variable inside the putchar function as a parameter. Okay, this will display character Y on the screen. So now let's try to further understand this with the help of an example. So example program to convert smaller letter to capital and capital letter to smaller case letter. Okay, so I have started with the header file followed by the void main function, and I have declared a variable alphabet of type char. Okay, then once I execute this program, I will be displaying a message to the user as enter a character. So by just seeing that message, a user will enter a letter. Suppose that letter is smaller m, then that letter gets taken from the keyboard using this getChar function and gets passed to this alphabet variable using the assignment operator. Now my variable alphabet is holding the value of small case letter m. Now I want to convert that smaller case letter m to uppercase letter m. Okay, so for doing that, here I will use an if condition, because I need to check in the program whether the letter entered by the user is whether in the uppercase or in lowercase. I don't know that. Okay, so for that reason, first I need to check if, using the if condition, I need to check if is lower alphabet. Okay, what I'm doing is, here I'm checking if the character entered by the user, which is get stored inside this alphabet variable, is a lower letter. If it is a lower letter, then what I will do is I will convert that lower letter by using this toUpper function by passing it a variable which hold the value or a letter, smaller case letter. Okay, so this toUpper function takes that smaller case alphabet, which is small m, and convert that into uppercase and then print that letter using this putchar function. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. Okay, so here it should be else. Suppose if the letter which user has entered and gets stored inside this alphabet variable is a uppercase letter, then in that case what I need to do, I need to first convert that letter into smaller case letter, and that I will do using this toLower function by passing it the variable alphabet which hold the capital letter M. Okay, now this toLower function convert the lowercase letter into uppercase letter and then print that letter on the screen using the putchar function. Okay, so this is a very simple program which accept a letter from the user and then check whether the entered letter is in uppercase or in lowercase. Then based on that it will convert that letter, then print. So with this example we have understood how to print or write a character on the screen. Okay, so I hope this concept clear to you guys. Okay, so that's all for this video guys. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.